Christianity remains the most dominant religion in the world as most Christians worship in churches and auditoriums, as symbols of God's presence. Over the years, church buildings have evolved from humble sacred places of spiritual worship to giant architectural marvels, aimed at making huge statements about the faith of all who worship there. These monumental sanctuaries have transcended being just places of worship to becoming iconic landmarks that capture the essence of the religious community. Here are the top 5 largest church auditoriums in the world based on seating capacity. Number 5. Faith Tabernacle. Faith Tabernacle is an evangelical megachurch, and the headquarters of Living Faith Church worldwide. It has a total capacity of 50,000. Located in Lagos, Nigeria, it was completed in 1999. The church was founded by Nigerian preacher, David Olaniyi Oyedepo. Number 4. The Temple of the Glory of God Auditorium. Temple of Glory of God Auditorium is associated with the God is Love Pentecostal Church. Completed in 2004, it has a capacity of 60,000. It is located in São Paulo, Brazil, and the church was founded by David Miranda. Number 3. The Champions Royal Assembly Megachurch, located in Abuja, Nigeria, has a total capacity of 80,000. It was completed in 2015 and is the international ministry of Prophet Joshua Iginla. Number 2. The Glory Sanctuary Dome Auditorium. Glory Sanctuary Dome Auditorium of the Dunamis International Gospel Center was completed in 2018, with a whopping capacity of 100,000. It is located in Abuja, Nigeria, and Pastor Paul Enenche is the founder and general overseer of Dunamis International Gospel Center. Number 1. The Hand of God Cathedral. Hand of God Cathedral is the largest church auditorium in the world, with a massive capacity of 120,000, and construction is still ongoing. Located in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, it belongs to Salvation Ministries, founded by David Ibiyomi, who serves as the senior pastor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification icon for more updates like this.